So what is corona? You may have noticed lots of people talking about coronavirus, right? So yeah, there is a new kind of virus spreading around the world called coronavirus. You know how the name corona came? Yeah, you know how? Because in Latin language, corona means crown. See in the given picture, you can see, right? Coronavirus looks just like crown, right? That's why they named it as coronavirus, okay? So the next is, where did it start and when did it start? So the coronavirus started in China in a city called Wuhan. You can see in the picture, right? That is Wuhan. And when did it start? It started in last December, okay? So symptoms of COVID-19. So if a person has COVID-19, they will have symptoms like these. They will have severe headache. Your head will start paining like something and have coughing. They will start coughing and have fever and have shaking chills. Shaking chills means shivering. It will be very cold and you'll start to shiver, right? So these all things will happen when a person has coronavirus. So it's coronavirus spreads very fast. So we should stop it, right? So how can we stop it? Let us see. So before knowing how to stop, let us see how it is spreading around the world. So we kids, we will play in the park, right? With our friends. We'll play in the park, right? So every friends comes from different families. So what if one friend's family is affected with COVID-19 and if they play with you? Even you will get COVID-19, right? So you should avoid playing with your friends. So when you play like this in the given picture, the virus spreads from one child to another child like this, okay? So that's why they are saying you should avoid going and playing down. So there are many games like throw ball when everyone play with the ball, right? Even if one person is affected with COVID-19, everyone will get when you play games like these, okay? So then we have something we should follow. When your parents come from work, you shouldn't touch them. When they take bath and come, then you can touch them, because some doctors are like, when they come, you'll be like, Papa, hold my hand, like that they'll say, right? You shouldn't do that. After they take bath, you can touch them, okay? So the next thing is, even if you go out and come, you should take bath, okay? Wherever you go out and come to your house, you should take bath, okay? So the next is, your mom will go to the shop and buy all the vegetables, right? So when they buy, they will keep it in the corner of the house for 2 days, because if the virus is there, it will go after 2 days. So you shouldn't touch those things, okay? So the next thing is, do not go near people who sneeze or coughs. So we learned right in symptoms. If a person has coronavirus, they will start coughing. So if a person coughs, you just run away from that person, okay? Do not stand near that person, okay? So the next is, these are some easy ways you can prevent coronavirus. First thing is, wash your hands, okay? So first, whenever you touch something that is new, you have to always wash your hands, okay? So you can see. So the next is, there are some simple steps you can wash. I'll say how to wash, okay? First, rinse your hand with water, okay? Then rub palm to palm, and then in between the fingers, and then focus on thumbs, and then backside of your hand, and then rinse it with water, okay? So these are some simple steps you have to follow while washing your hands. By doing this, every part of your hand gets cleaned, okay? So the next is, wear mask. So always you have to wear mask. Wherever you go, you have to wear mask, okay? So the next is, how to wear a mask. So you have to cover, while wearing a mask, the mask should cover your nose and your mouth, okay? So you can see in the picture, right? You shouldn't wear like these all. It should cover your nose and your mouth, okay? So the next is, have a hand sanitizer. So instead of washing everywhere when you go, you can have a hand sanitizer. It will be easy, right? Instead of washing, if you have a hand sanitizer, it will be easy. So the next is social distancing. Whenever you go out, right, you have to stand 6 feet away from one person, because even if a person is affected with virus, right, when you stand 6 feet away, you won't get virus. Okay. So social distancing is important. You have to stand 6 feet away from that person. Okay. So the next is avoid outside food. So I know you'll be like, it's so boring at home, please get me some food like pizza, you'll say, right? Yes, right, you'll say to your parents. But you should avoid that, because when the person who delivers the food, right, when they have COVID-19 and when they deliver the food to you, even you will get COVID-19. So you should avoid those food. Okay. So the next is, it's a very tough time. So we need more sleep. You have to sleep for a lot of time. Okay. So you have to sleep more than 8 hours a day. Okay. So you have to sleep more than 8 hours a day. So the next is, even if a virus attacks you, your immune system should be so strong and good, right? So these are some 8 steps you have to follow to boost your immune system. If you do these 8 things, your immune system will be very strong. So the first is wash your hands. You should always wash your hands. Keep your hands very clean. Second thing is, eat good food. So you have to eat good food like vegetables, fruits, like that. You have to eat good food. And then you have to exercise daily. So you can exercise like skipping. You can do skipping, right? And you can go and play badminton, like that. You can do exercise. And then you have to drink more water. You have to drink at least 5 cups of water each day. And then you have to have good sleep. I told right in the before slide, you have to have very good sleep. So like 8 hours sleep. And then you have to practice meditation. You have to do yoga. So when you do yoga, you feel very relaxed, right? So you have to do yoga. And then you can entertain yourself, like you can play games with your siblings like Ludo, Snake and Ladder, like that, and listen to music. Like that, you can entertain yourself. Okay. So you'll be thinking, if I do all these, how will I meet my friends, like that? So even I have 2 ideas. I'll say you those. You can meet your friends. So the first thing is, have video calls instead of meeting them in outdoors. So like how we are meeting in Zoom, right? Like the same, you can have video calls with your friends in Zoom or in WhatsApp video calls. So the second is, meet from balcony. So don't go near to them. If your friends are near your house, you can just stand in the balcony and say, hi, how are you? So in this way, you'll maintain social distancing. Yes, right? And you can meet them face to face and speak. So the next is, if it is very compulsory, you have to go out. If you go out, you shouldn't touch anywhere. So in the picture, you can see you shouldn't touch on any shops or walls, any board poster. You shouldn't touch anywhere. Just go walk and come. And after walking, you'll go on the stairs, right? You shouldn't touch on the railings on the stairs, because many people might have touched it, and even you touch it, you might have chances getting affected with virus. Okay. So just walk, do not touch those railings. Okay. So the next is, you'll be very bored at home, right? Because you cannot meet your friends, like that. You'll be very bored, right? So you can have daily challenges, like day 1, I'm gonna do painting. So before the day 1 finishes, I'll be finishing 1 painting at least. So you'll be having daily challenges like that. So day 1 is painting, day 2 is baking a cake. So by baking a cake, you can learn something new, right? In these holidays, like you can learn, like, I know how to bake a cake, like that. You can learn. The next is, write a story. So when you're very bored, take a piece of paper and start to write a story. Okay. And the next is, clean your house. By cleaning your house will look very clean, right? So you have to clean your house. So these are the daily challenges you can do to make your day very interesting. Okay. So the next is, how did it start? So still we don't know anything about the mystery animal. How did it start? but some people are saying it might be a pangolin or a bat. So pangolin is a animal. See, I've given the picture of that animal. So this is pangolin. So it might be because of this animal or bat. Some people are saying, but we don't know for sure how did it start. Okay. So the next one more important thing you have to follow is wear gloves while going out. So whenever you're going out, you have to wear gloves. Gloves will protect you. Okay. So the next is how much did it spread? So you can see the image, right? See how much did that virus spread around the world? See India, it has spread it fully in India. So we should avoid that, right? So you can avoid that by following those steps. Okay. So it's a very tough time. So take care of your health and mostly avoid going out. Okay. Mostly avoid. If it is very compulsory and if it is very important, you can go, but mostly just avoid it. Okay. So let's just recap what we saw. Okay. So first we saw what is coronavirus. It is a virus that is spreading all over the world. It looks like a crown. We saw that. And then from where did it start? In Wuhan, in a city called Wuhan. And it started in last December. And symptoms of it are severe headache, coughing, fever, and shaking chills. And then it will be spreading very fast than you think. So we should stop it, right? So how will it spread? Like these areas, when you go and play with your friends, it will start spreading. Okay. And then when your parents come from outside, you shouldn't touch them. After they take bath, you can touch them. Okay. So the next is whenever you go out and come inside, you have to take bath also. Okay. Whenever you go out. Next is do not touch those groceries when bought from the shop. You have to at least keep it for 1 day. Okay. Next is do not go near people who sneezes or coughs. We saw, right, that people might have COVID-19. So you shouldn't go near that person. So the next is wash your hands regularly. Whenever you touch something new, wash your hands. Okay. So how to wash, I taught you, right? Follow these steps. So next is wear mask. Always when you go out, wear mask. So I taught you how to wear mask also. A mask should cover nose and mouth. Okay. And then always use hand sanitizer. And then social distancing. Follow social distancing. And then avoid outside food. I know you'll be like, I need pizza, burger, but just avoid outside food for some days. Okay. And then have enough sleep. Okay. And then boost your immune system by these 8 tips. Wash your hands, eat good food, exercise daily, drink more water, get enough sleep, practice meditation, and entertain yourself. Okay. And then how can I meet my friends again? Meet them in video call or meet them through balconies. In balconies, you can meet them, right? So next is if you go out, you shouldn't touch anywhere. And when you climb the steps, you shouldn't touch the railings also. Okay. The next is have daily challenges like paintings. Day 1 painting, day 2 baking a cake, day 3 write a story, day 4 clean your house. Will you do these daily challenges? Will you do these? It will be really interesting when you do these daily challenges. Okay. And then how did it start? So some people are saying it might be a pangolin, but it's not sure. Okay. And one more hack, wear gloves while going out. Okay. It will protect you. And then how much did it spread? We saw, right? See in the picture. And then take care of your health and mostly avoid going out. Okay. So thank you for coming to this session. So our next session will be day after tomorrow. And the link for that session will be given tomorrow. Okay. So bye. Let's meet in next session.